Hi there. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of installing and configuring Laragons on Windows 11. Whether you are a student, academician, seasoned developer, or a beginner, Laragon is powerful tools that can make your development workflow a breeze. So let's get started. So first thing first, what is Laragon actually? Laragon is a portable, fast, and powerful local development environments that support a variety of programming language, including PHP, Node.js, Python, and more. Right? It's known for its simplicity and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for developing and testing web application locally. Right? So first thing we need to download the software itself lah. Alright, to download Laragon, open your web browsers. Alright, for me I'm running my Google Chromes. Alright, um, then navigate to the official Laragon website at laragon.org as shown in the screens. Alright, here, you will find the latest versions of Laragon. Right? Click on the download links. Right? So here we on top of the web page we have the download link. So click on the download links. Then you will find the latest Laragons lah. For me, I prefer to download the full versions. Right? So I click, then it will start download lah. Right? So once you finish your download, um, or complete your download, navigate to your download folder and locate the Laragon installer files. Okay, so for me here is the software. Alright, so I have the Laragon uh, installer here. Then in order for you to start the installations, okay, I have download this software early. So in order for you to install the Laragon, just double click to execute the installer. Alright, click. This is a UAC control. Alright, just click yes to allow it, and then follow the on-screen instructions to install the Laragons. Okay, so click OK for English. Then this one is the installation parts. Alright, for me, I install it in C. Laragon drive C Laragon. You always can change to the preferred drive lah. If let's say you have drive D, E, and so on. Okay, then I click next. Then I don't want Laragon to start when Windows start, so uncheck that one. Then click next, then install. Right, so wait until the installation procedure completes. Alright, after the installation complete, alright, you will be notified, okay, that the completing the Laragon setup wizard here, alright. So we check the run Laragon, check the Laragon. So click finish. Alright, so this is the um, Laragon itself lah. Alright, so Laragon itself. Now, what we can do is we can start all. Click on the start all. Alright, so start all will execute now. So this one is the again UAC. So click yes to allow the Apache and also MySQL. So here we have the Apache and also MySQL. Alright, has been executed. Okay, successfully installed and executed in your computer. Alright, so once you start these two process. Okay, so here we have the Apache at running at port number 80, MySQL running at port number 3306. Okay, so we can test. Alright, so you can open that one, go to localhost. Okay, so click on that one. So we have the Laragon uh, getting started interface lah. So, Laragons come with a variety of built-in tools to streamline, right? To streamline your development process. Okay, you can easily manage your database, use the terminal, for example, okay, start and stop the services and other things, huh? Okay, so in order for you to use or to access the MySQL using the UI, so I strongly recommend you to install the php Alright, so how to install php Go to menu, tools, then we have quick add here. Right, then we have php. Okay, so click. You need internet connections for the installation procedures. Okay, so once you complete the installations, mm, you should be able to access localhost slash php to access the php through the localhost slash php URL. It takes so long. Okay, there you go. Alright. So you can use username root, right? Username root, then click login. Okay, that is the default username for PHP without password. Alright, so you should be able to access it lah. Alright, okay, so let's close this one. Okay, so now we already installed the PHP Okay, so you can access, alright, your what we call that, the root folder, okay, for your projects. Alright, in Laragon is in drive C Laragon www, or else you just click on the root. Alright, click on the root menu or button here in the Laragon applications, then it will redirect you to the specific root folder lah, www. Alright, it should be in C Laragon www. So every single project that you want to develop, right, it should be located inside the root folder, inside the www folder. Okay, so um you also can install, right, few other things, for example MySQL, MongoDB and so on lah, using the tools and quick add. Okay, so now in order for you to use Laragons, okay, as a web server to run the frameworks, all right, so we need to configure few what we call that, few extensions. We need to configure few extensions. So this extension is required for frameworks to execute uh, the programming files. Okay, so just navigate to menu. Okay, then PHP INI. Okay, so it's depend uh, on your computer code editor. All right, for me, I set the default one is the Notepad++. You always can open the PHP INI using Visual Studio Codes and whatever it is. Right, so try to find Control F. You want to find INTL. Alright, so this extension need to be enabled. Okay, so here by default, alright, by default, Laragon's already enabled for you. Okay, what means by enable or disable? Okay, so if let's say we have these symbols, okay, in front of the extensions, means that the one is disabled. So you need to enable it. Then another one is SQLite. Okay, so the extension SQLite also need to be enabled. Alright, okay, so we also need to be enabled. Okay, so once you enable this one, okay, just click file, save. Okay, or else you just use Control S to save it, then you can close your uh, uh, editors. All right. So once you close the editor, you can stop the Laragon and restart it. Okay, restart the services pack in order for the configuration to take effects for the new configurations. Okay, so last but not least, I want to show you on how to change the port number. Okay, sometimes, right, you fail to start the Apache services, okay, due to the port number has been used by others applications, right? So this one is running on port number 80, so you can change it to menu Apache httpd.config. So once you click, it will open this file, right? So navigate to around line number 60, all right? So this currently listen to port number 80, so you can change it to port number 8080, port number 9090, and so on. So, right? So once you save, click go to your file save or use your Control S to save it, then close. Then you need to stop and start it again to take effects. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, you at this stage you should be able to install, all right, install the Laragon. Technically you have successfully installed it and configure the Laragon on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Alright, if you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Alright, so that's all guys. Happy coding. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.